right in the middle.
was parked as
Great
well.
riding from the pair of them, and it's happening again.
Impressive
Unbelievable.
inside there, but Jack Hammer is risking it all.
He needs to, and this is like watching a couple of World Superbike races in recent rounds. Is it that top bracket Alvaro up inside?
My
Look
Lord,
at this!
my Lord.
Look at the focus. How can they be so calm? We're going mental here on the Custer's position. Davide Teresi leading again. One more time, we cross the line. Penultimate lap time. Jack Hammer back ahead. Davide Teresi going to try and look on the inside. No, he goes the long way. He's going to have to yield that though. Adrian
nice
licking
fight.
his chops. Look at this.
And now Adrian's in there.
Crashes.
Adrian's
And
down.
that's that. Adrian, surely that's a huge dent in his championship.